As you containerize more applications and deploy with Kubernetes, do you find application and data management a challenge? How would you recover from a disaster? How would you easily protect and manage your entire app and data together? Well, enter NetApp's Astra Control. Astra Control provides data protection with snapshots, disaster recovery by taking full backups of your application, its metadata along with its persistent volumes, and it also provides application and data portability for cloud bursting and migration with instant active clones. Astra Control now comes in two variants: Astra Control Service, which debuted early in 2021, and now Astra Control Center. Astra Control Service is available as a fully managed service in the cloud, whereas Astra Control Center is available as a custom-managed Kubernetes application available for on-prem scenarios. Both have virtually the same UI, same API, and workflows. But enough talking, let's get into the action. We'll start with Astra Control Service. This is the dashboard for Astra Control Service. We can see we have two clusters being managed, one in AKS and one in GKE. We're managing one app, and looking at that, we have a snapshot available that was taken on a pre-configured schedule, a PV, resources, etc. Next, we'll move to Astra Control Center on-premise. This is the dashboard. You can see it virtually looks the same, except for the storage backends, which is applicable to the on-prem deployments. So if we take a look at that backend, it tells us throughput, on-tap version, and the capacity, the performance, and the PVs. Moving to clusters, we can see two OpenShift clusters being managed. We're also able to see the health of our clusters with Cloud Insights. Just connect Astra Control Center to Cloud Insights. Go to Kubernetes Explorer. Click on our cluster, and we can see the number of nodes, pods, CPU, memory, PVs. We can even go deeper into a node and see exactly what's on it and the health of the pods on it. Going back to Astra Control Center, we have one bucket set up for full backups, but we could do more if we would like. We support storage grid, ONTAP S3, or generic S3 buckets for backups. So let's take a look at the app that we're managing, which happens to be Jenkins. We can see we have one build currently done. These are all the resources Astra Control is managing. And we can see it's warning us that no schedule is configured. We'll configure a protection policy on this application, so scheduled backups and snapshots will be taken. We will do them on the half hour, and we'll keep 4 snapshots and 1 backup. And now we're set up and it shows fully protected. So let's do a clone from one of the clusters to the other. We could either clone direct from the running application, which will first do a snapshot and a backup, or we could just restore from an individual backup. So let's clone it. Give it a name and a new namespace, and select which cluster to clone it to. So now we can see the clone started. So after some time, it will show available. Let's look to see what the new load balancer IP address is. So it's the 128. So let's go to that IP address from our browser. So we can see the new Jenkins instances there with the same build as we saw on the other cluster. We can even do a new build. So all of our Jenkins console messages will still be there too. So we did a full clone, including both the application as well as its data, from one OpenShift cluster to a completely different OpenShift cluster on-prem. Want to see more? Come visit cloud.netapp.com/Astra. Thank you for watching and have a great day.